This fall, Woodworking Network presents a one-of-a-kind experience for executives in wood products manufacturing. It's the Executive Briefing Conference. Located at the Broadmoor in Colorado Springs, you'll immediately notice the beautiful surroundings, gorgeous architecture, and impeccable service at the resort. You'll engage with, discover, and exchange ideas and solutions with like-minded executives, focusing on the most challenging issues crucial to success in today's manufacturing environment. We have an outstanding conference schedule including keynotes from Jim Bouchard speaking on leadership and Dr. Chris Keel discussing economic forecasts and strategy. There are 2 in-depth case studies and a virtual tour of Montbleu & Associates. Many more panels, sessions, and workshops are also in store for you. And let's not forget the delicious food and multiple networking opportunities that await you in this unique location. Connect with other executives that face similar issues and work together to find logical solutions to manufacturing and marketing challenges. Join us this September at the Broadmoor for the Executive Briefing Conference 2022.